Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my Thursday one-shot, one-kill strategy. This video is real requested by a lot of people. If you guys are not known, I have not uploaded a video in 3 months. I have been more focused on my private mentorship and my Telegram students. If you guys are still interested in seeing my trades, I do post them in my Telegram chat, and I also post them on my Instagram page. I will start back uploading uploading videos for the end of 2024. So let's go ahead and get right into this video, guys. Like I said, this is my Thursday one-shot, one-kill strategy. If you guys have not known, also, I only trade one day out the week. I do not trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. I only trade on Thursday. So in this video, I will be teaching you what I look for each and every Thursday. In my last video I posted my model, it's the exact same model. Once again, we're only looking for it to be formed on Thursday. Disclaimer also, like I say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, right? Please do not take advice from this video. Make sure you're using right risk management and trading. So let's go ahead and get right into this video, guys. The first thing we're going to be looking for is going to be our higher time frame POI. So each and every Thursday, we need to make sure prices inside of a higher time frame POI. The POI, the POIs that I use is going to be the 1 hour and up. So if prices inside of a 1 hour POI, that's valid. And obviously, 2 hour, 3 hour, 8 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily chart, weekly chart, that's even better. So once again, guys, you want to make sure each and every Thursday that you are inside of a higher time frame POI. So on this example right here, guys, we're going to be going over Euro CAD. This trade was taken in my live Telegram chat. So if you guys want to go see that for, me being transparent, just go ahead and go to my Telegram chat, go to the date, which is going to be September 26th, and look at my Euro CAD trade. Very, very, very nice trade setup. And I also posted this trade on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on there. So on this trade, guys, I'm going to be giving you my entire outlook of how I analyze this trade on Wednesday night. So on Wednesday night, which is this current candle right here, I came to my charts and I understood that we were what? We were inside of a what? This nice down close candle here was going to be our order block. So I'm going to draw out the opening all the way down to the close of this order block. So as we fast forward down inside of the 15-minute chart, remember this green box is going to be a daily order block, a daily POI zone. So after I identified this here, I came into Thursday with the expectations that we should see what? Long positions. Dropping down to my 15-minute time frame where my model performs at. My model is like I say, guys, my model operates on a 15-minute time frame. We're only using the daily chart and the 1 hour chart. Well, I'm sorry again. We're only using the 1 hour chart and up just to get our POI zones. We're not doing any entries on the 1 hour. This is a 15-minute scalping strategy. This is not a long-term strategy where you can just hold for days. So I want to be clear on that also. So right here, guys, this is a 15-minute time frame. We're not going to be looking for our long positions. We're going to go ahead and extend our daily order block all the way out into Thursday. So from here, we're going to be waiting for London session to get done. So let's go ahead and pull up the rules and understand what we should be looking for from here. So for our rules, guys, the first rule that we need to see, we need to see Asian low grab. Why is the reason for Asian low? Because we're looking to go long. If we were looking for a short position, we need to see Asian high purge. In this example right here, we're looking for a long position. So we need to see Asian low grab. So we're going to wait for that to happen. Right here, guys, I do use the session indicator tool just to mark out Asian session, London session, and New York session. Nothing special. So I will have this up on a replay. So let's go ahead and fast forward here into Asian session. Remember, Asian session is going to be the blue box. So Asian session started right here. It's going to be Asian session here. The green box is going to be London session. All right. So we need to see Asian low grab. Asian high was grab here, but we're not interested in Asian high. We want to see Asian low purge so we can confirm our long position. All right. So what do we just have right here? We just had what? Let me zoom in here. We just had what? Let me take things off my chart. We just had Asian low grab. So we can now go ahead and mark out Asian low. And on top of Asian low, we had this previous day low from Wednesday swept also. So we're going to mark this out as previous day low plus Asian low. So our first rule is checked off. What's our second rule, guys? Clear London displacement. So we're going to wait for a clear London displacement here. It's now 5:45. As I always teach, you want to see displacement probably done by 7 a.m. So we're going to wait. It is now 7 a.m. So we're going to go back to this counter right here, right here. So the first thing I seen once I came to my charts is that we had nice London displacement off these consistent up close candles here. And I was already anticipate us to close inside of this inversion fair value gap. So once again, we had previous day low swept and we had Asian low swept. So first rule is going to be checked off. We also had clear London displacement, which is going to be up these nice up close candles here going in our direction. So from here, now we're going to go inside of our New York session OTE retracement. All right, guys. So from here, we're going to be using our field. This is my field that I use for OTE. I will go ahead and put this on the chart so you guys can go ahead and copy my levels. So this is my OTE levels right here, guys. So go ahead and copy that screenshot. So from here, guys, now we're going to be going ahead and drawing our field and tracking our field. So we did have 8:30 news release. So we did have an 8:30 retracement. So we're going to go ahead and start drawing our field from this body to this high. We're going to track our field. Now, before I fast forward, if you like to use the wick, that's fine also. And if you like to use the body, that's fine also. So in this example here, I will be using both examples. So we're going to start with using the wick. All right, so price is now starting to retrace. It's 7:45 now. We remove the rules to the bottom right here. All right, so we're going to keep on dragging our fib. It's 8:15. So once again, guys, we did have news at 8:30. All right, so as you can see, you're now filled inside of your entry. So now you're filled at the 62. Your entry comes at the 62. So now you're filled. Your stop loss always goes at the 100 level, always. So right here in this example, we had a 17.5 pip stop, and we're going to be targeting what? Previous day high. Previous day high is right here. So we're going to mark out previous day high. Previous day high is going to be our draw on liquidity. Now, for my model, you want to look for a 2R or a 3R every single Thursday. That's going to be easy peasy. Now, if you're looking for like 1 to 5s, 1 to 6, 1 to 10s, things like that, that's not going to happen every single Thursday. That's why I say just to be consistent and make sure that you're, like I say, making real money in the markets, look for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, and you can pretty much, call it a day right there. So in this trade right here, guys, as you can see, we had Asian low took, we had London displacement. We're in a discount market. We got our draw liquidity, which is going to be previous day high. As you can see, we had a nice New York session OT retracement. Price came down to the 62 at 9 a.m. So now we're going to wait for our draw liquidity to be reached. So first, we're going to mark out our 2R. So 2R comes in right here. Line it up, 2R there. So as you can see, price is respecting the 62 and the 70.50. 2R hit. So at this point, you can now go break even or take partials. We're going to go for a 3R now. Let's see a 3R get hit. So 3R just got hit. And at this point, like I say, I pretty much closed my trade out here. Once again, you can go ahead and check my Telegram chat and my Instagram post to see me take this trade live. So once again, guys, it was a very nice trade set up here. This was a bullish discount A+ trade. And let's go ahead and go over the reason why we're in a discount market. So once again, guys, this is going to be me explaining why we're in a discount market because this is the most important factor of my model. You need to understand discount and premium. If you're just trading random patterns, this is not going to work. So once again, guys, you need to understand discount and premium. The easiest way to understand discount and premium is going to be using the discount the discount and premium tool. Drawing my fib from this last swing high we had on Friday, September 20th, all the way down to this current swing low. This is going to be my discount fib projection tool that I use. As you can see, we are below the 0.50, which is going to be equilibrium. So anytime we are below equilibrium, we're only looking for long positions. We're not looking for sales below equilibrium. Vice versa, if we were looking for a sell position, we're going to be looking to sell above equilibrium. So if we were looking for a sell, we want to sell up here. If we're looking for a long position, we want to buy below equilibrium. This is the easiest way to identify an A plus or a B plus trade. So once again, guys, this is exactly how I identify my discount and premium zones using this last swing high down to this current last swing low. We are below the equilibrium, so we're going to be looking for long positions, and our model form here making it more extra confluences. So this right here, guys, this is the first example of a Thursday one shot, one kill strategy. So let's now go into the second example. All right, guys. So right here, we're going to have Euro CHF. And this example right here, guys, is going to be another example of my Thursday one shot, one kill strategy. Here we had a nice 1 hour POI that was created during London session. So before coming into New York session, this is my exact mindset. This is my exact analogy on Euro CHF. Once again, join my Telegram. Watch my Instagram stories every single Thursday. You'll see me take these trade live and post real withdrawals. So right here, guys, as you're going to see, the timing right now is going to be 6 a.m. So London session has already been performed. Now we're going to go ahead and draw out this 1 hour fair value gap we have resting right here. So we have a 1 hour fair value gap that was created during London session. So now we're going to go ahead and drop down to our 15-minute time frame. Now we're going to go ahead and go over the rules once again, guys. Once again, the rules are the same across the board. It doesn't matter what day we're trading or what pair. The rules are the exact same. So let's go ahead and pull up the rules here. All right, so we got the rules right here. So what's the first rule? And we are looking for a long position again. So the first rule is what? We need to wait for liquidity to be rated. Liquidity was rated here. Asian low was taken during London session. So we had Asian low took here. So we're going to go ahead and mark out Asian low. Asian low took. So after Asian low is taken, what do we look for now? Clear London displacement. Do we see clear London displacement? Yes. We have a nice, very nice engulfing candle going in our direction, leaving behind the fair value gap, which is going to be nice. So this is going to be confirmed as nice London displacement. What's our next rule, Ron? New York session OT retracements, and that's it. So let's go over this trade one more time before we fast forward. Once again, guys, we were in a discount market. Let's go ahead and go over the reason why we're in a discount. So zooming out here, drawing our fib from this last swing high we made here down to this swing low. Where are we, guys? We are below what? Equilibrium. We should be looking for what below here? Long positions. If we take a sell below equilibrium, guys, that's going to be a B plus trade. So if you're taking notes or anything like that, you want to write down if we take a sell, so if our sell model forms below equilibrium, that's going to be a B plus trade, and we have to use the very low risk. But if our model forms and we're looking for a long position and it forms below equilibrium, that's going to be an A plus trade. We can use max risk on this trade because this trade right here has the highest probabilities to work in our favor. So once again, guys, we had liquidity rated. Asian low was taken. So first rule is off. Second rule, clear London displacement. As you can see, we had nice London displacement going in our direction for longs. What's our next rule? New York session OT retracement. And the fourth rule is going to be what? Target 2R or 3R. So we're gonna now start drawing our field from the body of this London low all the way up into this current New York session high. And we're gonna go ahead and change our field to the OTE. So from here, this green box, guys, is going to be a what? A 1 hour fair value gap. This green box is a 1 hour POI. So let's see how price reacts. We're going to now start tracking our fib. So price is trying to run away from us. Delete this. All right. So we're going to now start drawing our fib and tracking our fib. So as price moves up or down, only thing you're doing is going to be tracking your fib. All right. So now we're filled. So we just got filled right here at 62. At what time? 8:15. We had 8:15 high impact news for EU. Stop loss goes where? At the 100 level always. So we had a 9.7 pip stop. And we're going to be targeting what? A 2R. 2R is now met. Now it's fully met. So at this point right here, you could have went break even, took partials, or if you're like me, I'll pretty much go to close out my entire trade here. Trying to get a 3R here. Let's see if a 3R would have worked. You would have got offered a 2.48 price, going to be drawn up to this what? Previous day high, which is resting right here. So previous day high was resting right here for a nice draw on liquidity. As you can see, price did not make it all the way up there. And that's why I say, guys, you want to make sure that you're taking partials or closing your trade always at 2R. So once again, guys, let's go over this trade one more time before we go into some more details about this model. So we're going to go ahead and clear up everything on our charts. We're going to go over this trade one more time to make sure that everyone was on the same page. So once again, guys, this is the exact way that I trade each and every Thursday. Once again, we're going to go back with a replay tool. We're going to start here. So first and foremost, we're going to be starting on the 1 hour time frame because this is where I found my POI. The POI that I use, which is important, is going to be this 1 hour fair value gap. But you can see right here, we had a nice 1 hour fair value gap resting here that was made at 3 a.m. So coming into London session, New York session, only thing we have to do now is identify if Asian low is took. Was Asian low took? Yes, Asian low is here. If we plug my indicator to Asian low is the blue box. So the Asian low is made right here at 20.0. That got swept. So after that, we want to see London displacement. Do we see London displacement here out these nice, strong, up close candles? Yes. Are we in a discount market? Well, let's see, Ron. Let's go ahead and pull out our fib tool. We're going to identify our last swing high. Our last swing high was made here down to our swing low. Are we below equilibrium? Are we below this 0.50? Yes. So we're going to be looking for what? Long positions. This is an A plus trade setup. So we can go full risk on this setup without being emotional because we understand that this is a A plus setup. Next thing we're going to do now that we have identified Asian low, London displacement, and our discount market, the only thing that we're simply doing now is going to be drawing our fib for New York session OTE retracement. Using the bodies here made at London session, and we're going to be tracking our fib using the OTE fib. All right, the price made a move up. We're going to keep drawing our fibs. Now we got a buy limit set down here at 62. As you can see, our limit is now filled. So we're going to be using the 62 as our first entry. Stop loss goes at the 100 level. And like I said, guys, going to be targeting 2R or a 3R. And 2R is met right here. So it's been an easy peasy, nice one shot, one kill trade for this Thursday. So now that we have now went over the full model and what you should be looking for every single Thursday, I'm going to go into the reasons why you should only trade on Thursday and my reasons for it. All right, guys. So for we in this video, I want to go over the reasons why I only trade on Thursday. The first reason, guys, is going to be less is more. Like I say, I have about 4 years of experience in trading. The less trading you do with higher capital, the more better you'll be off. So less is gonna be more, guys. You do not want to trade every single day. I used to do that. Even look, like I said, if you look through my YouTube channel, you can see I used to pretty much trade every single day. And that just didn't do as good for me as I was looking for. The moment I start trading one day out of the week, everything changed in my journey. Like I say, I was able to acquire 800K in capital. So I'm very, very grateful for that. So once again, guys, you want to make sure that you are trading less and taking quality trades. It's always going to be quality over quantity. Once again, I know this is not appealing because Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube gurus, they promote trading every single day. But once again, guys, I'm a realist, and you want to make sure you're trading at least 1 or 2 times out of the week. For me, it's only going to be 1 time a week. Second rule is going to be increase mental capital. My mental capital has went through the roof. Mental capital is pretty much how you're feeling during your trading day. So if you've been trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday, you're gonna have horrible mental capital. You're gonna feel fatigue. You're gonna feel, especially if you're in a losing streak, you're gonna feel overwhelmed. But if you're only trading one day out of the week, you're gonna have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to actually prepare your mindset for your trading day instead of coming into a trading day with so much baggage, so much drawdown, or you're in euphoria, right? So, a quick example here. If I take a trade on Thursday and I win and I'm in euphoria, I got a full week for that euphoria to, remove itself and then coming back into next Thursday with a balanced mindset. But if I took a trade on Thursday and I had a nice big winning trade, now I'm in euphoria and I come back on Friday, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna lose that account because I'm in euphoria. That's why I created my strategy. So one, not only will it help me increase my capital and make big payouts, two, it'll help me keep those payouts, right? Because like I said, a lot of guys go in here and talk a lot of stuff about, oh, my strategy this, but guys, it's more than strategy. You want to make sure that you have mental capital to be able to trade with high capital, make big payouts, things like that, and make real money. Because if you're trading on a demo account, keep your opinion to yourself. Three is going to be a higher strike rate. Obviously, who doesn't want a high strike rate? Like I say, this model is in around about a 70 to 75% strike rate if just trading on Thursday. If you trade this model throughout the full week, it's going to come down to about a 6% strike rate, which is still good. The second to the last, guys, is going to be a model that repeats itself each and every Thursday. Once again, guys, my model does repeat each and every Thursday. How will you know this, and how am I so confident knowing this? Back testing the case studying, right? I do a lot of back testing the case studying. If you guys do not back testing case study, you will fail. And you guys can see I'm not just talking out of my ass. Right here, guys, you can see these are all my case studies here of my model form. And you can see Thursday. A lot of Thursdays here is going to be presented. Let's go ahead and go to my OTE part two. I do have two OTE case study journals that I'm working on right now. They're pretty much filled up. As you guys can see, I do back test and case study a lot on Thursdays. I'm very, very, very confident in Thursdays. All these trades on Thursdays. So all these back test trades you see here, they are only on Thursdays. You guys see right here, I have a whole playbook of my model, what I should be looking for, seeing it form to 2022 data, 2023 data, 2024 data. So make sure you're going through and you're actually back testing your model. That's how you're going to feel as confident for me to actually wait on Thursday to perform. My model forms every single Thursday on all Forex pairs. So you want to make sure you're trading all the Forex pairs with this model also, because this model will form across the board on majority of all Forex pairs. So make sure you're trading a lot of pairs with this model. If you don't want to do that, like I say, sometimes you probably will miss a trade setup if you're only trading 3 pairs, which is okay. But like I say, I pretty much trade any pair when it comes to Forex because price action is price action. Sorry, guys. Like I say, this is my case study journal. Just want to go ahead and show that right there. Like I say, you want to make sure you are back testing a case study. Last but not least, guys, is going to be remove FOMO and greed. I don't feel FOMO and I do not feel greed in my trading journey again. You guys go through my latest videos, you guys would have seen that I did struggle with FOMO and greed. So to combat that, I came up with, okay, I'm only going to trade one day out of the week and I'm going to focus on only one day and one model, right? When I start doing this, guys, it removed FOMO. I don't feel FOMO on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because I know that my model forms. And it goes back to back testing and case studying. The more I back test, the more I case study, I understand that my models are going to form on Thursday, so there is no need for me to gamble on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and blow my account when I can just wait until Thursday. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I know it was a lot of talking in this video, but hopefully this video did help you guys out. Once again, guys, follow my Instagram page and follow my Telegram page if you want to get inside of my community. Like I say, I do private one-on-one mentorships for required students. I do not do it for everyone. So no, I don't teach everyone. I only teach certain students. If you want to know what my requirements are, like I say, just text me on Telegram chat and we can discuss. Once again, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys out. I will catch you guys in the next video. And as always, man, stay safe.